everyone, Hannah again here for another video for you guys. How was your new year? I'm so sorry for not posting for a few months. Anyway, let's get into the video. So this is my new Leuchtturm 1917 dotted journal. I decided to change the color to this pale blue one from the green last year. Like the usual, I just wrote down my name and email as well as another detail, then folded the index page into halves. Before I shoot this video, I did a couple of preparations such as penciling mostly and even doing a separate cover page. I just copied my 2017 cover page into the cardstock and used my nib pen and ink to write. This next page is also from my 2017 spread, which is recentering. It became my general guide to what theme and goals I wanted to set, as well as the things I wanted to keep, let go, and try for the year. So last year, my theme was having less is more. For this year, I wanted to rediscover myself and know more about myself better. I know that it might sound selfish at first, but I read somewhere that the more you grow, the more you can help others to grow. In between some pages, I also like to put quotations that will serve as a page break from all the spreads. I'll link all the pens and materials that I've used in this video in the description box down below. The next few pages are based from the books that I've read so far to improve life and find your purpose. The list and links of books that I read are listed also on the description box down below and on my blog. I'll also link my Pinterest board where you can see some bullet journal inspirations. This next page has all my specific goals, and under each category, I'll write down my top 3 goals as a guide for me. So I wanted to track down my health, diet, family, partner, spiritual, relaxation, hobby, career, personal development, finances, and contribution. I also have a happy list so I can remind myself of the things that I can do to make me happy. Next is my future log. Like last year, I used a horizontal format. I'm not that fuzzy about combining both birthdays and events into one log, so this format worked for me. Instead of doing a yearly bucket list, I made this page as a goal hobby tracker to motivate me to do more things. So basically, this page is like my tracker in which I can track down how many books or if I'm doing my hobbies regularly or on a daily basis. So last year I tried a monthly tracker and put down all my hobbies, though it didn't work out. So I'm still trying to figure out which tracker I'm gonna use monthly or if I'm still gonna do it or even insert a yearly habit or hobby tracker on my bullet journal. Of course, I won't forget a spread solely for my Sugarcoats Hannah accounts. I'm still tracking everything as well as I want to plan more so I can also be more consistent this year. So last year, I've been on and off on my posting schedules as well as on which account I would post. So I would not really post solely on Instagram, Twitter, or even on YouTube. I also included a work log schedule spread so I don't need to put a work log table every month. I think it's more convenient for me just to log everything as well as check my roster in one place. My last spread is my yearly memories spread. Last year, I just wasted space every month for my memories page. Oftentimes, I won't even use a single page for it. I think I'm kind of pressured to filling up an entire page, so I ended up just not using it. So this year, I just allotted a little box so I can collage, draw, or doodle something every month. That's less hassle and pressure into filling out an entire page every month. So here is the flip through of my 2018 bullet journal setup. If you haven't subscribed into my channel, please subscribe so you can see more bullet journal videos and whatnot, okay? Also, don't forget to say hi on the comments down below. Thank you again for watching. So this is Hannah again, giving you life spice and bitterness through Sugarcoats Hannah. Cheerio! Bye!